Barbara. Today I'm showing you how to make a really easy recipe, gluten-free cream of mushroom soup. Make this soup whenever you need cream of mushroom soup for a casserole or sauce, or enjoy a cup on its own. It's so delicious. Come, let me show you how easy it is to make. Thanks for watching. You can find the full recipe in the video description, and be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out more of my videos for delicious recipes you can easily make at home. See you there.